Been looking for you, Sideburns.
Whoa, hold on a sec. Let's you and I have a chat. Based on how you decide to play it, we're willing to give up and turn ourselves in. We just want a little closure to take some of the sting out of this anger. Denji, it's no secret you killed their friends and my granddad. Why not atone and right your wrongs?
I mean, somebody else killed him first. Those guys were zombified, dude.
Don't you fucking lie! Little shits like you are always blowing smoke. Alright, fine. Say that whole zombie scenario was the hard truth. They were still human at one point. And you killed them. Don't you feel the slightest shred of remorse?
Nah, I'm good.
You know, I've been put through the ringer too. Sawatari replaced my heart with a katana devil somehow. But even I have trouble sleeping on nights when I've slipped up and sent zombies on another trip to the afterlife. I ain't completely heartless, but I guess that just makes one of us, huh? If you got any kind of conscience left in there, you should do the world a favor and let us kill you.
No thanks.
Then that's that. I'll carve up your scrawny ass even more!
I'd like to see you try! Thought my scrawny ass was grass! What happened, huh? I'm waiting!
You're looking a lot sharper than before. Tell me, what's the reason that keeps you fighting?
I want to protect my new lifestyle, I guess.
Ah, so you've been living the good life with public safety?
It ain't all good. I have to put up with a nag and a brat. But hey, could be worse. So like it or not, I'm kicking your ass. Miss Makima will praise me all day for it.
Cocky for someone who has no hope of winning.
What? You really think you've got me beat already? If I got a pulse, I got a chance!
You got nothing!
Where is it? Whoa, 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 whoa! Dude, that move's banned starting now!
You wish. You're done. Can't fight without your arms. So how about it, Denji? Why not use your last few breaths to apologize for killing Granddad?
can't still fight. The chainsaw on my head is all I need to end this!
Moron! Didn't my granddad ever teach you to know when to quit? Grovel for his mercy, and I'll put you out of your misery.
You put the dick in predictable, and went for my head like a dipshit! Didn't that rotten old geezer ever teach ya? He should know better than to trust what a hunter says! Should've gone for the legs, sucker!